Buy low and sell high with AJ. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about the market and what's the perfect asset to own during this market downturn and this bearish market that's bearish for stocks and a lot of other things, and you've seen your portfolio going down. First thing I want to say is that you have to diversify. Try to do your best to diversify in many other areas in the stock market. That's the first thing. But let's get into what you need to own right now and why you need to own it, and the reason why behind it. All right, guess what? This is the thing that you're looking for to own right now in this downturn market, interest rate hike market. Okay, inflationary market. Here we go. Gold. Once again, gold. Okay, reason being, I wrote down a few notes so I could show you why gold is what you need to put into your portfolio as a perfect hedge against this interest rate hike market. All right. Reason being, first thing, throughout much of the 1970s, gold prices rose just as interest rates moved higher. Point one. Okay. A study of a massive bull market in gold that occurred during the 1970s reveals that gold's run up to its all-time high prices of the 20th century happened right when interest rates were high and rapidly rising. Okay, Fed Powell is under pressure right now to hike rates. He's hawkish, so possibly gold might go up. Currently, gold is down right now, but if you look at the chart, you're going to see that it does have bullish tendencies on the 6-month, 4-hour chart. Okay. Another thing, the price of gold mushrooms from under $50 an ounce to previously unmanageable price of nearly $850 an ounce. Gold prices had a strong positive correlation with interest rates, rising in concert with them. Okay. Rising and higher interest rates may be bullish for gold prices simply because they are typically bearish for stocks. Have you been looking at your portfolio lately and seeing the stocks decreasing by 20-30%, some even 50%? Look at like all these different type of stocks, these high multiple stocks going down in a toilet, literally. In your portfolio, you like looking at your portfolio, you like, what? Okay, that's the reason. All right. So now, for example, gold prices increased by more than 60% during 1973 and 1974, at a time when interest rates were rising and the S&P 500 index dropped by more than 20%. Look at the NASDAQ, the tech sector getting crushed. The overall market getting crushed. Okay. Now, gold has often been considered a hedge against inflation. Okay. Gold is a real physical asset and tends to hold its value for the most part. So those are the reasons that gold is the asset that needs to be held in your portfolio for a hedge against everything that's going on in the market right now. And currently, gold is taking a nice dip currently. So I think people should start loading up on gold, a trusted breadwinner over the years. Bitcoin's price action is ridiculous. Just the other day, Bitcoin was touching 60,000. All of a sudden, it's touching low 30,000, just like that. So Bitcoin, I mean, as long as you're ready for the wild ride, then Bitcoin's okay, or whatever it might be. But gold is still solid. and I think it's definitely a good thing to have in your portfolio. So that's about it for me. I just want to give you a few points. The few points that I got, they're from Investopedia, so check them out and things of that nature. But you know where you heard it first. Buy low and sell high with AJ. Like and subscribe and share with others. And one more thing, let's get this money. And that's about it. I'm signing off. Until the next one. Peace.